We've given the king of the post-pub takeaway a fake-away makeover. These Slimming World doner kebabs have all the taste and flavour of the real thing, but without the fat and calories. Start off by cooking the onion over a low heat for 12 to 15 minutes until soft and golden. Pop them in a food processor and add 3 garlic cloves and 500 grams of lean minced beef or lamb. Don't forget, it needs to be 5% fat or less to be free. Season and add the herbs and spices: ground ginger, cumin, cinnamon, paprika, and a good tablespoonful of dried mixed herbs. Add a beaten egg and blend until fairly smooth, and then spoon the mixture into a non-stick loaf tin and pat down. Cover and chill for 4 hours or overnight if there's time. When you're ready to cook, cover the loaf tin with foil and bake in a moderate oven for around 40 to 50 minutes. Drain off any liquid, then return to the oven uncovered for 10 to 15 minutes to finish off. Cut the meat into thin slices and fill a toasted wholemeal pitta bread with salad and gherkins. Stir crushed garlic into fat-free natural Greek yogurt to make garlic sauce and serve straight away.